we're going to the old-fashioned fishing here today. But right now I switched over from the crappie side. Decided I'm gonna try some old school worm, bobber, and a bullet weight. Let me show you guys my setup. Alright guys, this is about all you need here going out fishing. These are $3.88, I believe, at Walmart. Also, I bought a pack of, let me show you the size, the hooks I bought as well. Guys, these are 134, I believe, at Walmart. And guys, you get 20 hooks, size 6, and also this here. These 3 packs of bobber here is, I believe they run about $2.34. So it's somewhere up in that price range. So about 10 bucks, guys. You can be out here catching yourself at least 40 fish, guys. So we're gonna start off. This is what I do when I use my worms. I actually break my worms in half, so it gives me double the chance to catch 2 fish with 1 worm. So that's what we're doing today. We're breaking the worms in half, throwing them out. As you guys may can see here, there's structure. There's a piece of rod sticking out of the water there. Oh, there's a fish jump right there beside it as well. So that's what those fish like they are posted up at right now. So we're gonna take our worm, throw out here and see what we can do. Guys, we're fishing about 1.5 foot deep, something like that. We're not real deep right now. We're gonna see what we do. As soon as it hit the water. Not a big brim, but all right, good fish to fish with for sure. Little brim. We're gonna throw them in the bucket for sure. There is no size limit on those guys.